Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your new DURAWOOD Essentials Adirondack Chair. Step 1. Use 4 1.5-inch barrel bolts to attach the chair back to the chair seat. Keep all of the barrel bolts loose until step 3. Step 2. Use 1 peg, 2 1.5-inch barrel bolts, 2 barrel nuts, and 1 2-inch screw to attach the right chair arm to the chair seat, chair back, and spreader bar. Step 3. Repeat step 2 on the other side of the chair and tighten all bolts. Step 4. Relax.